Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If you open your TikTok app and are suddenly logged out with a login expired error, this usually means your session was terminated due to a network glitch, a corrupted cache, or a recent security change on your account. I have verified the latest troubleshooting steps, and I will show you exactly how to fix this right now. Let's get started. First, the most common reason your active session token fails to verify is a momentary drop in your internet connection. Pull down your phone's control center and switch from Wi-Fi to cellular data or vice versa to establish a fresh connection to TikTok's servers. Then, completely swipe the TikTok app closed from your phone's recent apps list. Reopen it and attempt to log back in with your credentials. Next, if you are still getting the expired error, your app's temporary session data is likely corrupted and blocking new logins. If you are on an Android device, go to your phone's system settings, find Apps, select TikTok, go to Storage, and tap Clear Data and Clear Cache. If you are on an iPhone, go to Settings, then General, iPhone Storage, find TikTok, and tap Offload App. This safely removes the broken login files while keeping your app intact. Finally, if clearing the data didn't work, head to your device's App Store or Google Play Store to ensure TikTok is fully updated, as outdated versions frequently drop login sessions. If the app is updated and the error persists, the login expired message can also trigger if your password was changed on another device or if your account was compromised. On the main login screen, tap Forgot Password to immediately reset your credentials and safely lock down your account. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.